back to my channel. Let's see what pet I bought today. Today I'm going to go to the shop. They have a lot of animals inside here. I'm going to buy a cocktail. Cocktail is a good bird. It will just pet and not bite of them.
And we are down to
That's a macaw. Big birds are very good and tiny birds are very good and tiny birds. The bird is so angry. He don't want to be catched.
He's not exactly being friendly right now.
They're chopping their wings.
To feed out the, I think we've got some here. We definitely have some food, so we need to get it. Somebody.
They're chopping the nail. He's a... The bird is so angry he don't want to be chopped. They're chopping the beak. The bird is rude and he's biting everyone. But I bought this bird because he's so cute.
We're celebrating.
These are all the bird food.
These are dubia roaches.
What is this used for?
Lizards will eat them for food, like bearded dragons and leopard geckos, stuff like that. They're, let's see. There you go.
This is so without food.
You guys will even eat copperhead.
Bird. Yeah, it's a cat. I pet him. I'm scared, but he let me pet it. This bird is really kind. It's called a cockatiel.
You don't have to carry spiders. Richard? Yeah. Where are they at?
These are all baby cockatoos.
You wouldn't mind it.
We bought the bird. Our cocktail is ready. This is our cake. I got this new pet. It's a bird. It's a cocktail. Our pet is home. I named him Baby Boy. He's cute, but he's angry. Thanks for watching my pet videos. We'll apply more pet videos. Bye-bye. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell.